To effectively clean your aluminum siding, choose a calm, dry day and inspect for mildew, chalking, and any repairs needed for starting. Use pressure washing for dirt and grime, but be cautious with loose or rotting boards as pressure can push water behind the siding. For mildew, utilize a bleach or vinegar solution and wear gloves when handling cleaners. Start by wetting the siding with a garden sprayer, then scrub from the bottom up using a long-handled brush dipped in your cleaning solution. Rinse thoroughly with a hose, beginning at the top. If using a pressure washer, ensure it has a minimum of 2,000 psi, attach a suitable nozzle, and follow all safety instructions, especially if your home was built before 1977. Always protect yourself, nearby plants, and the ground during the cleaning process.